Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The pound fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Alibaba Group Holding Limited discussed raising at least $1 billion for Lazada before calling off negotiations with potential investors when talks bogged down over the Southeast Asian online mall's valuation. Britain is ready to guarantee up to $500 million in loans to support Ukraine and help mitigate the economic effects of Russian aggression, the Foreign Office said. A rocky period for equities this year and the more recent escalation of geopolitical tensions are making it clearer that cryptocurrency is neither a hedge against a slumping stock market nor a gold-like refuge.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. gross domestic product annualized will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 13:30 GMT. The Irish Consumer Confidence at 00 hours and 1 minute GMT. Italy's industrial sales will be released at 0900 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Tokyo CPI at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.